Okay, so we know this has to go in there, but it can't go like this. So I'm gonna use this little plastic blade and clean off this whole surface and every single surface and make sure it's clean. Oh, that took some time. So this is clean. Well, that is clean. At least as clean as it's gonna get. We have one more issue right here. You see that? It's a bearing. It's a little stiff, in my opinion. You know, I'm just kind of smooth there. And what I'm gonna do is I got a tool ordered. I'll show you. I'm gonna pull that bearing out. I have another case right here. I'll pull that bearing out, put it in here because that one is good. And that way that bearing will be good.